Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction. So we will calculate in the last move from here till here. So let's do it together. As you see it, my friend, from here to here, it moved 14%. Another move, how much it moved? From here till here, he moved 9%. So now it needs to move about 6% or something. So let's see it, my friend. From here till where we are, my friend, is 6%. So the measurement now it's showing us from that level here. We will making another move. Hello and welcome, my friend. We came back in another video. So if you are interested to our channel, please make sure to subscribe. By the way, also we put in every day 1 or 2 videos analyzing for you the Bitcoin or the crypto world. So if you are interested, you can join us. And if you're watching us from the video down, you're going to find a red button. Click at it. It's going to become gray like that. Subscribe it. And next to it, you find that bell. You came to it and you turn it to all like that. And you're going to be notified every time when also we're putting a new video. So go ahead and do it. You've done it. And please smash that like button to help us to put more content like this, my friend. So without further ado, let's go into start our lesson of today, my friend. Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction. As you see, my friend, the daily candle is finished now. And before we even dive in more, I want to tell you a disclaimer. Down below, there is a lot of fake accounts. They're writing comments. I don't got any relation to them and don't click at any link because majority of them, they are just going to scam you, my friend. So be aware of those things. So let's going back to our analysis for today, my friend. As you see, my friend, here, the daily candle, it's finished now. And it's finished red. Yes, there is a big pressure from down, from that level here. And big pressure from up. But that doesn't say us we are not going down. So, I think we are going to go down. Let's see if that zone of us is going to hold. If it's not, we are going to go till here, my friend. When it's going to reach here, it's going to range a little bit here. Then after that, you will go upward, my friend. So be aware of those things. I'm not talking here about lower time frames. I'm talking here about the investors. So if you are an investor, my friend, now is not the right time to buy. You just waiting the correction to happen. I told you maybe it's going to correct from here, from that level of us here, or maybe here. By the way, that level, how we draw it, I show you before. It's just the level of, sorry, let me show it to you again, very quick. From here till here. We bring in a Fibonacci like that. And we make it like this, my friend. And as you see, my friend, over here, that the level of 50 and 61, 0.50 and 0.61, my friend. Sorry for if you don't understand what I'm saying. Everything is too clear, my friend. And another thing I want to show it to you here to measure that next move, how much is going to be, my friend. So let's bring in that tool, that one. So we will calculate in the last move from here till here. So let's do it together. As you see it, my friend, from here to here, it moved 14%. Another move, how much it moved? From here till here, he moved 9%. So now it needs to move about 6% or something. So let's see it, my friend. From here till where we are, my friend, is 6%. So the measurement now it's showing us from that level here. We will making another move, but that's just calculation, my friend, if you know what I'm saying. Because every time as you see it, he move like that. Then he make a small correction like that. He move. So he will give you a higher high, as we saying. But doesn't mean it will not make a big correction. Maybe it will fall down till here. Everything is too clear, my friend. Let me delete those ones. So, my friend, everything is too clear. So, let's see our indicators, what they say, my friend, for the picture to be more clear to you. As you see, my friend, our indicator, that one. Sorry, let me delete that trend line, that one. Because that one is just distracting us now. If you see, my friend, what our indicator does here, it can tell that long-term trend as we've been following. That one. And I'll show you all those things in the previous videos, my friend. Let me go back and show it to you for the picture to be, if you are new or something, to know more what else we're talking about. Here we are, my friend. As you see here, let me show it to you here. That one from here. That one from here. And now we are here at that zone. So that the trend line also been following. And now as you see, my friend, here it came to a hit again. It zoom it to show you more now. As you see now, my friend, what the price did, it came, it make a fake breakout, let's say it like that. Then it's going back inside here now. So the trend line of us, it's still very stronger, my friend. So I think it's going to drop till here maybe. Then after that, it will go upward because here in that zone here of 44, I think here, we got a very stronger support. Every time the market being came to it, it's being very, very stronger. As you see it, my friend, all those times. Don't want to show it to you in the chat. I'm just analyzing for you here, for the picture to be more clear to you, my friend. So now my view to it, I think is going to drop again till that zone here of 44. Then after that, it will go upward, my friend, till here, till the overbought area, my friend. But it needs to break for us the trend line here, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend. Let's see our other indicator, what it's saying, my friend, for the picture to be more clear to you. That one, my friend, as you see it, we still here orange. By the way, there is a meeting this week about the FOMC, and there is next week, so be aware of those things. As you see it down here, what it's showing to us here in Trading View, we got a lot of news is coming, my friend, so be aware of it. Everything is too clear, my friend. So let's dive in more to show you more, my friend, for the picture to be more clear to you. And here, my friend, as I told you, our indicator is still orange here. So we need to wait it till it came here, the overbought area, my friend, at the right time for you to take some profit. The profit you enter from here. And I think it will come till here. Now, as I told you, it's going to make a correction, a small correction. Then after that, it will continue upward, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend. So let's go into the 4 hours to show you more. What is it there, my friend? Here we are, my friend, in the 4 hours. And in the 4 hours, as you see, the price what it's giving you here, my friend. I showed it to you before. I told you it's giving you here a cup and handle. So if it's breaking for you that zone here, that zone of course we draw it by the Fibo, my friend, that one here. So you just came here to that place. You calculating from here till here. So when it's going to break it, it's going to fall down till here. That's what me I told you. It's going to fall down exactly till that zone here. So be aware of those things, my friend. Make a close attention to them, my friend. I told you, if the market break for you that zone here, you're going to see it down here, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend. You get the picture? So let's go in to see more. What is it there, my friend, for the picture to be more clear to you, my friend. And another thing, my friend, I showed it to you before here. Sorry, let me zoom it for the picture to be more clear to you. And another thing, my friend, I showed it to you before, and I will show it to you again. As you see it here, my friend, in that zone, all those candles, my friend, they are detaching that zone, as we said, that one. And what they're showing big tails, my friend. As you see, all of them. At man, the price, there is a big rejection here. And as you see here, that green candle, that one, what it's showing down, it came the first one, that red one, show a big pin bar. Then it came that green one, show a big pin bar, and also we are in 4 hours, my friend. And I show you before something very important here. I told you here from that red candle, that one pushing down all that much, the volume of it, is it that one here down, and the one, that red candle, that one, is it that one, and the volume of it, is it that one down? So the candle, is it that one, and the one, and the volume, is it that one, and the one, my friend. So let's delta in those ones, and we show you the lines between them, my friend. So you came to that one, that volume, to here, that volume here, to that one of that candle, and you came from that candle, that one, to that one, my friend. What the price giving you, my friend? Here in the chart, it's showing us we are going down. Here in the volume, it's showing us we're going upward, my friend. So that one is a divergence, my friend. That's why me I told you, and I tell people in the previous video, in 30 minutes to enter long. And I told them the take profit need to be here, my friend. And that what is it the reason? Because us here, we are in a trend line, as you see it. As you see, my friend, us we are in a trend line here, that one. And the volume and the chart they given us a divergence, my friend, that when we told them to enter long, and if they enter, they will aim in till here, my friend, till that zone here, the previous high. It will go until the 25,299. But if you enter just here, just in that level here, take the profit, my friend. Everything is too clear. So let's see our indicator, what it's saying, my friend, for the picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, my friend, as you see it, was we become here orange, and we are here at the middle here, my friend. It is going to fall down here to the oversold area. Then after that, it will go in upward. But me, I think from now it will go in upward, my friend. Remember my word. From now it will go in upward. Maybe it will make a small correction here, stay ranging for 1 day or something. Then after that, it will go in upward, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend. And by the way, if you are wondering what else we're talking about, my friend, down below in the first comment, there is a 85% couple link to our highly recommended course. The course is in Udemy. It's not expensive. It's only $13. It's the price of a cup of coffee. That course is going to teach you everything about technical analysis, my friend. It's going to take you from scratch till you're going to be pro technical analysis. And at the end, you're going to get a certificate. It's proving that you are a pro technical analysis person. So if you want it, it's down, my friend. If you don't, just our videos, they show you everything, my friend. And by the way, you're learning from professional people, my friend, that the job of them. Also, we're working in a hedge fund in London. Also, we are not scammers. We just came here. Also, if we are scammers, well, we sell our course by $2,000 or $3,000, like majority of the people, how they do. But also, we sell it only by $13. $13 is nothing, my friend, here in the Western world. But it's up to you, my friend. But if you just want to learn to invest next to it, my friend, our Bitcoin investing course is going to teach you everything, my friend. So, everything is too clear, my friend. Let's go into 30 minutes to show you more, my friend. What is it there? Here we are, my friend, in 30 minutes. And in 30 minutes, if you remember what else we done. We done here that channel. We draw it together in the previous video, that one, and that one, and that one. And as you see here, my friend, what the chart tried to give you here in 30 minutes. Here, here, and here, and here, and here. It tried to give you a head and shoulder, my friend. So that head and shoulder, when it's going to be active or valid, or let's say it anything, when a candle came and break it like that and close above it here. That's the right time, my friend, for you to enter. As I told you in the previous video, take profit here, my friend. Here, exactly, in that zone. So be aware of those things, my friend. Here, as I tell it to you, and the previous highs, my friend, here. Everything is too clear, my friend. And even here, in the volume of that one, it given us a very, very stronger divergence, my friend. I show it to you in the previous videos. Show it to you like that, like that. I show you all those things in the previous videos, my friend. So now, what our view to it? I told you here in 30 minutes, it will go until here, my friend. I know some people, they will get in wondering, also we're talking about daily, the market is going to fall down in 30 minutes. I said it's going to go up. In 30 minutes, my friend, the market is very, very volatile of crypto, my friend. It's got a lot of big moves. So in 30 minutes, it will move 4%, 5%, very easy. But for long run, that way also we're analyzing the daily. In the daily, it will fall down, my friend. And even here, if you see it, also we are under the 200 moving average, my friend. Everything is too clear. And I told you, that one, the first scenario, my friend. Second scenario, I tell it to you in the previous video, if the market broke for us, that channel lower here, so the target is going to be here at 22,600, my friend. If it's breaking lower here, you're going to see it down. If it's breaking up, my friend, I tell it to you where you're going to see it here. So be aware of those things, my friend. Everything in front of you, my friend. So, my friend, let's see our indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you, my friend. Our indicator, my friend, it show here us we are at the oversold area, my friend. Let me zoom it out for the picture to be more clear to you. As you see it, my friend, us here we are at the oversold area, my friend. Like how we give it to you here, like how we give it to you a signal here, like how we give you a signal here, like how we give you a signal here, here, here. So if you be someone who following for us, just in a few weeks, will have you make very nice profit with us, my friend. All those signals we give it to you, my friend. And let me show it to you in the chart for the picture to be more clear to you and to say what else we saying. Last time we started from here, from that zone here. Tell you to enter from here. You take the profit here. Last time you enter from here, I told you to take the profit here. You take it here, my friend. You enter from here. I told you another time to enter from here. You take the profit here, my friend. Another time I told you to enter from here. I told you to take the profit here, my friend. And that what happened. Another time here. I want the last week. I told you to enter from here to here. Then I told you to enter from here. That 2 days or 3 days. Told you to take the profit here. That's what happened. Now we are at the oversold area, my friend. At that way, I told you to enter long. Take profit of you. As I tell it to you, my friend, is going to be here at the previous high. Here, my friend. Or the previous zone, or name it, whatever. That's why I told you need to watch our technical analysis course to learn how to draw supply and demand zones. Because over here, you got a supply and demand zone, my friend, here in that zone. And the price it touched it. Now, 100% it will go in to upward, my friend. You got another one here. Sorry. You got another one here at that place. Maybe it will go until here, but I think it will go until upward here. And I will update you every day 2 videos, my friend. So if it came just here, I will update you. That way I told you every time subscribe to our channel, my friend. And turn the bell notification. And now also creating a website. You can even join it to watch our latest videos. And in our Telegram, everything is there and available, my friend. You don't need to pay nothing. Everything is free, my friend. Only thing we sell in us is our course. If you don't got money, you can contact me in my Telegram or my Facebook or anything and tell me you don't have money, and I will offer for you a free coupon, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend. So that's it for today's video, my friend. See you tomorrow, my friend. Bye for now.